moderately advanced low brace. When someone is bracing and they're just doing a beaver tail slap as a beginner, you can tell they're a beginner, their head always stays up and their body stays up. There's a saying in canoeing that you have to give up your body or give up your head to right the canoe. And a more advanced low brace, the person as they brace will drop their head down with the low brace and their body. And the more they drop their head, the more they drop their body, the more advanced they are. That's really the dividing line between a beginner low brace and a more advanced low brace. So you'll notice on these, in the previous video, beaver tail slap, I just slapped the water, may have been dropping my head and body a little bit, like I had said. But in this, I'll drop my head and my body. That's a more advanced low brace.